Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 7, that is getting to know plants. In the previous lectures, we had discussed about different type of plants around us or in our surroundings, and we categorize them herbs, shrubs and trees. Then we start discussion of the different parts of the plant, and we discussed about roots. That roots are the parts of the plant that grow under the soil or grow underground. Then we had discussed several activities, and from these activities we are able to understand the functions of roots. That is, roots are very important because they absorb minerals and water from the soil, and this mineral and water used by the plants for their growth and development. Then it helps the plant to stand erect and absorb the sunlight, and the process of photosynthesis will take place in the leaves, and then the prepared food transferred into different parts of the plant by the steam. Then we discussed about the roots, that there are some modifications in the root, that root perform these functions, and there are types of roots. That is, there are mainly two type of roots. One is taproot, one is fibrous roots. So in the taproot we observe that there is a main stem, and at the bottom there is a root cap, and there are small roots are coming out from the main root. There is a main root and small roots are coming from this main root, and these are called lateral roots, and this whole root is called taproot system or taproot. Then there are other type of root, that is several fibers or thread like structures are present, almost same. So this type of roots are called fibrous roots. So taproot and fibrous roots. Now we have to understand that there are some modifications in the roots. In the modifications, roots collect, or there is storing of food in the roots. There are storing of foods in the roots, and this food we consume, like sweet potato, turnip, carrot. These all are roots. Dahlia. So these all are roots in which food is stored, and we use that stored food for our growth and development. So this is a modification of root for the storing, for the accumulation, or for the collection of food, which ultimately helps all the living organisms to survive, or by enjoying this food or by using this food. Now there are some other type of modification present in the root, which I discussed already last day, but today also I will discuss about it. Like the best example is banyan tree. From the banyan tree there are rope like hanging structures coming from the branches, and they go inside the soil, and then they perform a strong support for the main trunk or for the main plant, and these roots are called prop roots. These roots are called prop roots. If you have an opportunity to visit Kolkata Botanical Garden, Indian Botanical Garden, which is in Kolkata or near Kolkata, Sipur, close to the Ganga river in the Howrah. So if you have if you get an opportunity to visit that Indian Botanical Garden, then you will observe that there is a very huge banyan tree with 900 prop roots. The main trunk was attacked by the fungus and it was removed a lot of days ago. But now these 900 prop roots help the banyan tree to survive in the Indian Botanical Garden. Then there are some other type of roots in the maize and sugarcane plant. These roots are called stilt roots, and these roots help the sugarcane and the maize plant to stand erect, not to tilt in one side. Okay, if these roots are not there, this plants, maize and sugarcane, can maybe erect one side, but these roots help the plant to stand erect. So these are called stilt roots, and these roots help them to stand erect. Then comes the climbing roots. I hope you all are able to observe money plant in your surroundings. Money plant is a plant which is a garden ornamental plant, or a ornamental plant. If you put in your garden or close to your house, it looks better, but there is a dilemma also that it will grow money in your pocket. That is not true. It is a garden ornamental plant. It looks good. So if you observe these plants is a climber plant. Means by the help of these climbing roots, this plant grow on any support. So these roots are called climbing roots. So class, this is the discussion of modification in roots and a little bit summary from the start of this chapter. I hope you are able to understand this lecture well. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.